No, not now. No. Now. No. Now? Now.
Take care out on the street. Use your head and then your feet. Don't run out like a fool. Take your time and play it cool. If you don't stay alert, you could end up getting hurt. You gotta stop and think, then you'll be king of the road. King of the road. But you can tell by the way I cross the road that I've learned to my green cross codes. I find a place where you can see, and then you can cross easily. And now it's alright, it's okay. Make sure you have looked both ways, and when it's clear, nothing's to fear when you use your eyes and ears. Whether it's the country or whether it's the city, you're staying alive, staying alive. Whenever you're crossing, just stop, look and listen, and we're staying alive, staying alive. Ah, 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 staying alive.
You know your own street and everyone you meet. You know which dogs bark, the best way to the park. It's your neighbourhood, that's where you feel good. Though you know the road well, still you never can tell. You've got to be wise, you could be surprised. On the roads they're home, stop, think, then go. Woo 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 woo.
Just because the man's gone green, don't you be so over keen. You gotta stop and think, and you'll be king of the road. When it's not light, wear something bright. Put it on your left, put it on your right.
Get see by traffic, morning and night.
Woo, woo, woo. As it gets to night time, it will be the right time. Staying alive, staying alive. If you're out at night, make sure